Hey guys, I'm a few hours outside of Bangkok on a tour and we're starting at the JEATH War Museum. Let's go check it out. Check this out. It says situated about 500 meters from TAT office in the area of Chai Chumpon Temple. The bamboo hut has been constructed in the form of a prisoner of war camp and contains photographic, pictorial, and physical memorabilia dating from World War II. See? Chai everywhere. There's the hut. What's your name?
Nah.
Nah? Yes. This is our guide for the day. Nah.
Nah. Yes. Nice
Okay.
to meet you. Yes.
You want to say what you're saying about that?
This is the labor when they're working in that time, and this will carry some rice for use for cooking. And this after they work 1 year, less food and hard food really thin. And when they sleep, you see, short leg and bit longer. And no must can bite you get malaria, and no medicine.
Okay. So this is a real bomb. So we have to be careful.
It's okay, no problem, because they got inside nothing now. They took out already. They took out.
Okay. We're safe, right?
See, this one put together here. This one over here. And they rock. Yeah. There are two more at the bridge. Yeah, two more like this, two more at the bridge already put. See this with the flag. See for 50 minutes. I see many holes like that from bombing and the drawing. Today we still see some hole like that, and some we use cement cocoa because we still use it. You can see the more photo.
River Kwai Bridge is part of the Death Railway, 415 kilometers long, joining Thailand and Burma. It was constructed by thousands of prisoners of war and Asian workers controlled by the Imperial Japanese Army during 1942 to 1943. After it was bombed several times by the Allied Air Forces led by the USA at the end of 1944, the bridge was badly destroyed. The end of World War II soon followed.
Yeah, because the bridge broken on 28 November 1944. The bridge broken from bombing from USA.
US always causing problems, right?
River now, this side of bright color because from River Kwai Bridge and brown color from River Kwai Noise, two rivers joining there. Yeah. Yeah, metro, then River Kwai Noise, River Kwai Bridge. We got to River Kwai Bridge.
Alright, now we're going on a boat ride.
For you sit in the front and for you sit in the middle together.
very historical.
Like yours.
Like your face.
Like your
Historical.
nose. Who wasn't fun?
I'm a professional. Tubig ko professional pinagpulak-pulak. Nice case. San Francisco Bridge to Golden Gate Bridge.
Take off jacket. One by one.
One by one.
Yep. Get your back, everything.
Kapag
In the boat.
Feel like some hot to the boat.
See many holes from broken that time from the bombing. See, we got cemented cover for the hole. That's like too. Many holes here too. This side and that one. See, we did the cemented cover from bombing.
So she's saying that the holes covered from bombings.
The train pass here. You can see there's a lot of holes from bombing that time too. See? And
All the
labor-
prisoners
Yep, walking
were-
on the way. Yes.
were working on this to build this.
Yes, almost Thailand to Burma is long 415 kilometers and take time 17 months to do that. And Asian labor to help to work together too. Total 20,000 of Asian labor and 60,000 of prisoner to do this for 415 kilometers long. See the name of the bridge, River Kwai Bridge. This is the end of.
So this is the River Kwai Bridge. It was built by prisoners of war, and it links,
It's the same one.
goes all the way to Myanmar.
You can go slowly.
The train's still active. Here it comes.
Thai train.
Very slowly, because this is a tourist area.
For we can enjoy with the
You can
view.
just hang out right here.
That's from the original railway we still use.
Can I say to the passengers in Thai?
Passenger,
Yeah, what can I
like
tell
hello.
them? Like hello.
Okay. Sawasdee krap.
Sawadee krap.
You can make a high five, high five.
High five.
Yeah, take your hand high five. And then go your hand high five.
If there's passengers.
When the train comes close and behind it, like they make boom boom move to inside. Behind it, right? Yeah. And you're like behind it, right? You have to stop. Local style is good here. ไม่เอาอะไรเนาะไม่เอาอะไรค่ะ Can try
Yeah.
how taste
Local ice cream,
Local
coconut
ice
flavor.
cream 10 baht. See, local ice
Say
cream
hi.
10 baht.
ค่ะบาย
Bye bye.
You too.
ค่ะโอเค
Wow, this is really good.
Be good.
Yeah.
See, there's money direct to people.
ก็ใส่กุศลอะไร
See,
อ่ะลองมา
see good. See,
Very good.
because I said because good one.
Now I don't need lunch. You live here?
Far, same province, but it's far from here. 60 kilometers. 60 from here.
How many hours? 1 hour?
1 hour.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
So you live very far from Bangkok, right?
Yep.
So you-
From here to my home an hour, and from here to Waterfall an hour, and from here to Bangkok 2.5 hours.